often a company, it might not be the number one priority. And here again, you want to talk about the problems, you want to talk about how that's affecting the business, and then you want to reiterate the solution that you're going to provide. You would say something like, look, I know you're having problems in this, I know it's affecting your business here. Look, it's fair to say if this doesn't go resolved and if you don't take action, we know the business that doesn't take action obviously misses out and they start falling behind. So I guess I'm trying to get you to take and be proactive rather than be reactive. I don't want you to miss out on the business that your neighbors or the competitors take. I'm trying to help you here. And so, we've gone over the problems. These are the problems that you mentioned, whatever they are. It's affecting your business in this manner. For me, what's stopping you signing on the dotted line? And this, by the way, goes into the close. So I'm going to keep that to the side. But the lack of urgency usually comes from reminding them again about the problem, how it's affecting their business, and in essence, how much it's costing the business, right? Or how much you can save the business. Talking about the numbers actually is very crucial in this part of when a client is having a lack of urgency. Talk about the numbers, how much you can save them, how much you can make them, how much free time you can make for them. These things are crucial to making someone understand exactly what benefit you can bring to them as a business.